Hey guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with an unboxing, install, and styling of this 26-inch wig from Why My Hair. And y'all, let me tell you, this looks so cute. And I really did not have to do much to this wig whatsoever. Like, you can do a cute updo, you get a lot of parting space on the wig, and it's eating, you guys. The curl pattern is everything to me. Why My actually reached out to me and asked me to try this wig for you all, so we are going to go ahead and get into this video. I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video. Okay guys, so we are going to go ahead and jump into this wig unboxing. As you can see, it is here in its DHL packaging. Let's see what we're working with today. This is very exciting because this is a company I have not tried before. So I'm excited to see what the quality is given, and we're gonna assess this together. Like, straight out the package, I do like the box. I like the box. This is a nice sturdy box. Good quality, I'm happy about that. So it's Why My Hair. You meet yourself when you seek beauty. Okay, interesting. Bam. So let's see what we have here. Take the top off. Ooh, and a little set bag. So let's set the bag to the side firstly. I'm sorry, I dropped the clip. So it comes with a clip with their branding on it. Okay, period. And you get a pair of lashes. These are actually some nice lashes. I might bring those on vacation with me. A tie to really melt your lace, honey. This is the best edge brush I've seen, you guys. So you get the edge brush with the comb on the other end, because all of them don't have the comb on the other end. But you also get a rat tail in there. So you get a rat tail comb, basically, and an edge brush. So this is nice. I like this one. This is good. I'm not joking about that. I really like that. And a wig cap. But let's get to the nitty gritty and actually see this wig and see what she's giving. We're unboxing this together, you guys. Let's see what we're working with. Okay, it's in plastic. Ooh, 26 inches. Yes, ma'am. That's a nice length. That's a nice length. Your beauty, our duty is what the sticker says. Okay, period. I like it. I am enjoying the branding on this company. So, ooh, this curl pattern is actually really nice. Hold on, let's get into it. So this is how it looks right out the package. Like, it does have netting on it. Let me take it out so we can all really see it together. But I like this curl pattern because you guys know I don't like my curls too tight. Like, I don't want my curls to be like kinky or anything. This is a nice curl pattern. This is really pretty. Like, I like this. Ooh, and it's nice and thick. Like, she's super thick, super pretty. So, here is the lace. It does look like it is already pre-plucked, so you don't have to do much to the lace at all. Like, it looks good. The knots are small. The hair is super duper thick, and it's thick all the way to the end. So it's not like up here you get a certain thickness, and then down here, like, the hair is kind of see-through. Like, this hair is thick all the way throughout, so that is a plus, you guys. Let me get my measuring tape so we can see what the hair is really hitting on. So let's see if this hair is actually true to length. So I'm gonna pull out my handy dandy measuring tape. The lace also looks pretty thin, you guys. Like, it does look like it will be really easy to work with and actually melt, so I'm happy about that. But unstretched, the length is already 25 if you hold it up here. So a lot of brands like to measure their hair from up here. I don't think that's right, but that's how they like to do it. So unstretched, it's already hitting at 25, 26 inches. But if you stretch it, when you're measuring from up there, the hair ends up being about 30 inches. So this might be one of those companies that measure it the right way, in my opinion, which is more so measuring it from the back track. So let's do that. Measuring from the back track, the hair is about 26 inches, just about. So yeah, it seems like they more so measure the right way, in my opinion. So looking at the construction of this wig on the inside, you do get a nice thick elastic band, so the wig should fit well. If you have a smaller head, you can tighten this band, make the wig fit even tighter, so you should not feel bad about that at all. I actually have a big head, so if this wig fits on me well, then it's gonna fit on anybody, you guys. So we're gonna see in a minute. So let's actually look at this lace. So they do not cheat you on your lace. you get a nice amount of parting space. So here it is, you guys. Like, you can do a nice long middle part. Like, you get a nice amount of parting space. So that is definitely a plus too. And you have combs, a comb there, a comb there, there, and in the back, of course. And here there is a tag that gives you instructions on how to care for your wig. So they did their work. I'm happy about that. They definitely put some work into this wig. So I'm just gonna cut off this tag because we are going to go ahead and jump into the install of this wig, because I know the girlies want to see the wig on, of course. So I'm just going to go ahead and spray this lace with just a little bit of lace tint. It is like almost like a brown tint, not dark brown or anything. So if you are lighter, this lace will still look beautiful on you. Like, it's not gonna look crazy, but I am dark, so I'm gonna need a little bit of lace tint here, just so it can really give on me specifically. Let's put this wig on and see what it's looking like, you guys. Let's see. Okay, bam. Ooh, okay, see, I told you guys, this curl pattern is really, really pretty. So we are going to go ahead and install this wig. We're gonna do a quicker install today because, like, I feel like this wig doesn't need much. Like, the curls look good already. Like, it's already eating the girlies up. What I'm gonna do as far as the install is just add 2 little slits here at the temples of my hair, bam, or my head, temples. And we're gonna cut off all of this excess lace. Oh, this thing, oh, the cap is still on. I'm like, why isn't this cutting? But okay, the cap is on. Let's cut all this excess lace off. Ooh, this curl pattern is very, very pretty, and I like this length. So I'm going to install this wig using lace spray today. Instead of using an actual lace glue, we're gonna stick with lace spray today. Shake, 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 shake. Let me pull the wig back a little bit, and we're gonna do 3 layers of lace spray. Okay, so that is layer 1. Let's move to layer 2. Okay, so now layer 3, which is the last layer. This should be a very quick and easy install, you guys. So before we spray, before we actually blow dry this time, we're going to put the wig where we want it to lay, which is about right here. And just that easy. The lace already looks super duper good, but we are going to go ahead and use this headband they gave us and have it melted while we actually style this hair a little bit. Put this headband on, not too much so it doesn't disrupt us actually styling the hair. We don't want it too high up. So, bam. I think what we want to do is like a nice little bun in the middle or something. So we'll do like a little 3-piece over here. So we'll part this side over here. Well, let's kind of hot comb it so we can mold it into the shape we want it to be. And then we're gonna do the same thing on this side over here. We want another part. So we're gonna do like a little half up, half down type of style. So let me add a little slick stick so the hair doesn't move at all while we're working with it. And I forgot, we wanna create a little baby hair. So we need to add a little baby hair too to this look. Okay, let's take this off and see how it's looking. Ooh, cutesy. Honestly, you barely need baby hair. You really don't need baby hair. Like, I'm glad you can see the part over there. But I'm still gonna add some baby hair. I'm sorry. I still like baby hair with certain styles. Like when you're doing a half up, half down, like baby hair still eats. Like this, like, I'm still gonna add a little baby hair over here. Add a little baby hair over here. I'm using a little mousse to slick our baby hairs a little bit. Well, this is something the kitties taught me. Like, you don't want your baby hairs to be gelled down anymore. You just want them kind of molded a little bit, like bam. You want them like slightly messy. Is what the girlies taught me now, because I used to use gel on my baby hairs, but apparently that's not what we're doing anymore. Something like that. And honestly, I'm going to add a little concealer in the part over here so the part looks more apparent. But yeah, this install and styling was so easy to do, you guys. So Bam, add a little makeup in there. Add a little makeup over this way. Oh, and guys, I'm 5'7", and this is where the hair falls on me. Like, it looks really, really beautiful. The curl pattern, honey. Like, I'm obsessed. I love it. I love it, you guys. I literally look like a teenager. Just about. Something like that, you guys. But yeah, this style is so cute and fast to do. Like, look at how long this hair looks. Like, this hair is really a nice length, and it looks gorgeous. Like, it is eating. I like this style. This is cute. I'm gonna have to do something like this a little more often. This half up, half down. Like, yes, ma'am. The curl pattern is gorgeous. This is the kind of curl pattern I like to have. This is cute. This is cute. But, of course, I'm going to link this wig in the description box. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and thank you all so much for watching. Bye, guys.